All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
India has achieved a significant economic milestone by doubling its gross domestic product, GDP, from $2.1 trillion in 2015 to $4.3 trillion in 2025, marking a 105% increase, an unprecedented growth rate among major global economies. According to inflation-adjusted data from the International Monetary Fund, IMF, India recorded a 77% GDP growth over the decade, rising from $2.4 trillion in 2015 to $4.3 trillion in 2025. This rapid expansion has propelled India into the ranks of the world's top 5 economies, positioning it to surpass Japan in 2025 and potentially overtake Germany by 2027. Commenting on this milestone, BJP leader Amit Malviya tweeted, "This extraordinary achievement is a testament to the decisive leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the relentless efforts of his government. Through proactive economic policies, bold structural reforms, and a sustained focus on ease of doing business, the Modi government has propelled India to the position of the world's fastest-growing major economy, an accolade no previous government had secured since independence." Today, these transformative initiatives are not only driving India's economic expansion but also positioning it ahead of traditional global powerhouses, signaling a significant shift in the global economic landscape. Meanwhile, China posted an impressive 74% GDP growth over the same period, increasing from $11.2 trillion in 2015 to $19.5 trillion in 2025. However, earlier projections that China would overtake the United States as the world's largest economy have not materialized, with economic headwinds stemming from the pandemic and ongoing property sector challenges. The United States retained its status as the world's largest economy, with its GDP expanding from $23.7 trillion in 2015 to $30.3 trillion in 2025, representing a 28% growth rate. Though slower than Asian economies, the US remains a dominant force in global economic stability. Other major economies, including the UK, France, Germany, and Japan, reported moderate GDP growth, ranging from 6% to 14% over the decade. Despite their relatively slower expansion, these nations continue to hold significant influence in global trade and finance. Brazil recorded the lowest GDP growth among the top 10 economies, with only an 8% increase from $2.1 trillion in 2015 to $2.3 trillion in 2025. The country's economic struggles were exacerbated by the 2014 commodity crash, leading to a prolonged recession, further compounded by disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic.